The reason I regret it is little did I know. Hey guys, welcome to Fitness Fabrication. My name's Zach, and today we're going to be talking about my 1-year transformation. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right over here. It would really help the channel out and help me grow. Alright, let's get started. One year ago, I kicked a nasty smoking habit, ended an awful relationship, and decided it was time to get in shape. I started out with just the full body exercises, you know, the ones people do like for a New Year's resolution. I figured this is where I would start, and this is where most people should start. After about a month, I decided I was going to get really serious about exercise and ended up purchasing this Smith machine you see right back here off of Craigslist. After purchasing the Smith machine, I went to Dick's Sporting Goods and picked up those weights right there. After buying all the equipment, I found out after doing a little research that a clean bulk would be the best thing for me. I was wrong. I ended up going on a 3,700 calorie diet, which isn't too much of a surplus, but it is a little excessive. I maintained about the same weight with the muscle growth and the slight bit of fat loss that I got from an elevated activity level. After a while of being on a 3,700 calorie diet, I found that after eating, my meals still didn't really fill me up. So I ended up going on a 4,300 calorie diet. The reason I regret it is little did I know, in 10 weeks I could have been shredded, and then I could have just put on that muscle that I wanted so badly after I leaned out, which would have made the most sense. I wouldn't have had to drop weight down in the gym as I started to lose a little bit of muscle as I leaned down. I realized that having a decent amount of muscle but also being lean was my more ideal physique that I was going for. These are the before and after pictures of me in 10 weeks time. In the before picture, I was 223.6 pounds, and in the after picture, I was 205 pounds. According to the scales that I heard are never right, I went from 19.6% body fat to 15.8% body fat. These are before and after pictures of me in 34 weeks. So yes, there is a bit of muscle gain in 34 weeks, and that is to be expected. But remember, this also came with a decent amount of fat, at least I assume. When I first started out, I didn't really care about my fat percentage. I just wanted to be bigger and I wanted to have a lot of muscle. I was totally wrong going that route. What I truly believe was impressive here was the 10-week transformation. If you would like to find out how you can achieve the same transformation, go ahead and click the card right up here and it'll bring you to one of my videos that explains dieting for beginners. That's going to wrap it up for today, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content. Hit that bell notification button to get a notification the next time I release a video. And comment down below if you've ever done a transformation and what steps you had to take to get there. Thanks for watching and have a great day.